How to find all positions of the maximum value in a list. I have a list. Max element is 55, 2 elements on position 9 and 12. I need to find on which positions the maximum value is situated. Please, help.
Will tell you the index of the first instance of the largest valued element of list A.
The chosen answer, and most others, require at least 2 passes through the list. Here's a 1-pass solution which might be a better choice for longer lists. Edited, to address the 2 deficiencies pointed out by John Machin. 2. I attempted to optimize the test based on guesstimated probability of occurrence of each condition and inferences allowed from predecessors. It was a little tricky figuring out the proper initialization values for max_val and max_indices, which worked for all possible cases, especially if the max happened to be the first value in the list, but I believe it now does.
I came up with the following, and it works as you can see with max, min and others functions over lists like these. So, please consider the next example list. Find out the position of the maximum in the list A. Using the generator, enumerate and making a casting. At this point, we can extract the position of max with the above tells us the maximum is in the position 4 and his value is 5. As you see, in the key argument, you can find the maximum over any iterable object by defining a lambda appropriate. I hope that it contributes. PD, as at Paul is denoted in a comment. With Python 3.x, the min and max allow a new keyword default but avoid the raise exception value error when argument is empty list. Max enumerate list, key equals lambda x column x1, default equals -1.